Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
Ka Balang Molongwir Higher Secondary School, ka GNW Southwest Kasils District, berkanativity Higher Secondary School Mokerwat. Kilalong kilay tali ki school ki Balara ika namladu haka jingrakhe ika National Sports Day 2022 balapan long daka office u District Sports Officer jong ka Southwest Kasils rengkat ka District Promotion Society balapan long hapo kamadan Artificial Turf MDSA Mokerwat. Ka jing panlong ika nagalempung ilakai ka balatip kum ka First Inter-School Invitation Maupoint and Talk of War Competition 2022. Kalong kum kadak ka jingis na uktilang berkari India berkaway haka jingrakhe ka sngika u Major Dhyanchan uwe nakiklure ilakai hoki bapawnam jong kari India. Habapaya ka jingil ilakai nakaliang ka office u District Sports Officer kalayo bankhot tang pratili ki school haka banakaliang ki kana school kilayo banashimenta shirham wala kalong kalempung ilakai kabatang shisngi. Haka bakut jong ka jingil ilakai layo ru bansam yaki kusnam syabaro kinong job haka bagan Nativity Higher Secondary School kalalong kanong job haka jingya kop tan telai persya eka jingya sengkantay Mokerwat Presbytery Higher Secondary School kibadai hakaliang ki syanrang karba ka Balang Molongwir Higher Secondary School kala job ika Nativity Higher Secondary School Mokerwat jong ki kantay. Haka jingil ekai Maupoint ka Balang Molongwir Higher Secondary School kala job da Saupuar la Prapoint ya ka GNW Southwest Kasils District kibadai hakaliang ki kantay bar ka GNW Southwest Kasils District kala job da Sanpau la Saupunru Point persya eka Balang Molongwir Higher Secondary School hakaliang ki syanrang ya ka nagalempung ilakai basisngi lapli berpanhaperda da ubak damang senkon ubade District Sports Officer jong ka Southwest Kasils District harengkat ka jingan lang kinohikai jong ki pratali ki school barkum juru ka jing sakhilang jong ki kana school kibade kinohishim benta.
Thank you.